Hello children, today we will start next exercise, that is exercise 2.4 in the triangle chapter. This exercise is based on the theorem areas of similar triangle. In the last video you learned that theorem. Just if you want, you just watch that video again to solve the sums. Here in this exercise totally you have 7 sums. Today in this video we are going to solve 2 sums. First we'll see the first sum of exercise 2.4. Here we'll see the question. Let triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF and their areas be respectively 64 centimeter square and 121 centimeter square. If EF equal to 15.4 centimeter it is, find BC. Here they are saying two triangles. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF means we know how to apply the theorem of areas of similar triangle. What is the areas of similar triangles? Theorem will say if two triangles are similar, here these two triangles are similar. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF they have given. If two triangles are similar, then ratio of the areas of two similar triangles is equal to square of the corresponding sides they have given. That is a theorem. So we will write that theorem first. What is the theorem? Here two similar triangles are triangle ABC and a triangle DEF. So solution will see. So to solve that we have to write the theorem first. Area of a triangle ABC divided by ratios of the areas of two similar triangles. Therefore, I am writing in the form of ratio. Triangle area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle DEF is equal to square of the corresponding sides. Ratio of the square of the corresponding sides. Here you see EF is the side of the triangle DEF and BC is the side of a triangle ABC. Here in the numerator I written triangle ABC, so I should write BC divided by EF. BC and EF are the corresponding sides. Ratio of the corresponding sides, it's a square. This is a theorem we learnt already. Here what they have given, that one we will write first, then it is easy to solve it. Given area of the triangle ABC they have given. See here, let triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF and their areas be respectively, means area of a triangle ABC is 64 and area of triangle DEF is 121 centimeter square. Therefore, area of triangle ABC is equal to 64 centimeter square. Then area of triangle DEF is equal to 121 centimeter square. Then they have given side of a triangle DEF they given. EF is equal to 15.4 centimeter. Now we will substitute and you have to find the BC here. Area of triangle ABC we know, area of triangle DEF we know, and EF also they have given, and BC we have to calculate. Substitute in this and calculate it. Area of triangle ABC is 64. This only I am writing 64 divided by, in place of area of triangle ADE, 121 is equal to BC they did not give. You have to calculate it. BC we have to calculate here. Find BC they have given. BC divided by EF whole square. If you, sorry, EF we have no, how much it is there? I'll write here. EF is 15.4. Actually you should write like that, 15.4 centimeter square. Now this square if you want to remove, you have to put the square root on both the sides. Here if you put the square root, this here square root if you put means square and square root will get cancelled here. So this will become 64 divided by 121 is equal to BC divided by 15.4. Squaring on both sides, sorry, putting square root on both the sides. Now square root of 64 is 8 divided by square root of 121 is 11 is equal to BC divided by 15.4. Now we want BC. BC you keep here only. 15.4 you transfer this side. It will come to numerator. So 8 into 15.4 divided by 11 is equal to BC. So now you see this will divide by 11. 11 ones are 4 remains here. Point is there, so point I kept. 4 and 4, 44. So 4s are. So BC is equal to 8 into 1.4. If you multiply these two, we'll get the answer as 11.2 centimeter. Therefore, BC is 11.2 centimeters. This is the answer we'll get. Just to multiply these two, we'll get this answer. Next, we'll see the second sum, what they have given. Diagonals of a trapezium ABCD with a AB is parallel to DC intersect each other at the point O if AB equal to 2CD. AB is equal to 2 times CD. Find the ratios of the areas of triangle ABC and the COD. Here also they did not give the diagram. We should draw the diagram here. Which diagram we have to draw here? Here we have to draw the trapezium ABCD. Diagonals of a trapezium. First we will draw the trapezium ABCD. A, B, C, D. In the order only you should write it. Diagonals of a trapezium ABCD with AB is parallel to CD. AB is parallel to CD or DC. Intersect. Diagonals of a trapezium are intersecting at each other at O. They are meeting at a point O. If AB equal to 2CD. AB is 2 times AB equal to 2 times CD they have given. CD. Find the ratios of the areas of a triangle. AOB and COD. These two triangles areas we have to calculate. Find the ratio of the areas of triangles. We want to find the ratios of the areas of these two triangles. But we don't know these two triangles are similar or not. Before going to find the ratio of the areas of these two triangles, you should prove these two triangles are similar. Then only you can apply the areas of similar triangle theorem. We don't know here triangle AOB and DOC are similar or not. They did not mention it. So, before going to find the ratio of the areas of a triangle, you should prove these two triangles are similar. So, you have to consider those two triangles and you have to prove those two are similar. Before going to prove, we will write the solution and we will write the given. What they given here? They given this. AB is equal to 2CD, because if AB equal to 2CD. See, you can write this in the ratio form. CD, if I transfer here, AB divided by CD, I can write it. Is equal to 2. Nothing is there, means denominator will be 1. So, their sides ratio we got it. AB equal to 2, CD equal to 1. Using this, you can calculate the area of these two triangles. So, we did this. Now, what we have to prove? Triangle AOB and DOC are similar. We have to prove here. We have to consider those two triangles. In triangle AOB and triangle DOC. Here they only mentioned that AB is parallel to DC. If AB is parallel to DC and this DB is a transversal, if you transfer, these two angles are interior alternate angles. Interior alternate angles are equal if the lines are parallel. Therefore, what I should write in this triangle, AOAB or AOB, ABO. Angle ABO is equal to here ODC. What is the reason for that? Interior alternate angles are equal if the lines are parallel. You know that. Next, if these same two parallel lines only you have to consider. AB is parallel to DC and this transversal you have to consider now. If you're considering like that, these two angles are equal. So BAO, angle BAO is equal to OCD. This is also same reason. Interior alternate angle. Now these two angles, you see, these two are equal because vertically opposite angles. Therefore AOB is equal to DOC, vertically opposite angles. Now all the three angles of a triangle AOB are equal to all the three angles of a triangle DOC, means we can say these two triangles are similar by AAA criteria. AAA criteria, three angles also we proved here. Therefore triangle AOB is similar to triangle DOC by AAA criteria. If you prove these two triangles are similar, we can apply the areas of similar triangle theorem, and we know the ratio of the side of the corresponding side of the triangles. Here AB and DC are corresponding sides, no? Opposite of corresponding angles are there. Therefore now you apply the theorem. Area of triangle AOB divided by area of triangle DOC, because we want to find the ratio of the areas of the triangle. That only I am finding here. Which sides we know? AB by CD. We know that. AB by CD whole square. This is a theorem actually. AB by CD we know. 2 by 1 whole square. So 4:1. 2 square is 4. 1 square is 1 only. Therefore area of the ratio of the areas of the triangle AOB and COD is 4:1. Area of triangle DOC. This is 4:1. This is the answer. In the next video, we will study next third and fourth sum. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.